The Invisible War: Why Your Smartphone Security is Failing in 2025, and 5 Steps to Fix It. Your Smartphone Security. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that should alarm every single person watching: your smartphone security. It's the device you trust with your bank accounts, your memories, and your sensitive corporate data. Yet, the security measures built into our phones are struggling to keep up with a new generation of sophisticated threats. The reality is, the battle for your personal data is no longer about simple malware. It's about invisible exploits, complex phishing campaigns, and even vulnerabilities baked into the very chips powering your device. As we move through 2025, mobile security has become a critical, personal arms race. The new frontier: AI-powered threats. The biggest game-changer this year is the weaponization of generative AI. Hackers are now using large language models to craft hyper-realistic, personalized phishing and deepfake attacks at scale, making them almost impossible to spot. These aren't the typo-riddled emails of the past. They are context-aware texts and voice messages that bypass your natural skepticism. The consequence is a dramatic rise in zero-click exploits. These are attacks that infect your device without you even needing to click a link or open a file. They leverage flaws in messaging apps or operating system frameworks, turning your phone into a compromised device while it sits idly in your pocket. This is particularly relevant for the high-volume search term, Mobile Security Risks 2025. The standard password and fingerprint scan simply won't cut it against this level of threat. We need to evolve our defenses faster than the attackers are evolving their tools. Hardware security versus software patches. Both Apple and Android are fighting back, primarily through hardware-based security elements. Look for features like secure enclaves and hardware-backed biometric authentication. These chips physically isolate sensitive data like your Face ID map or encryption keys from the main operating system, making them incredibly difficult to steal. However, the speed of software updates remains a major point of vulnerability, especially on the Android side outside of flagship models. If your phone manufacturer is slow to roll out monthly patches, your device has a persistent, open security hole. Prompt updates are not a luxury, they are a necessary shield. Actionable steps to harden your phone now. So, what can you do today? First, activate a hardware security key for your most critical accounts, like Gmail and social media. This physical or FIDO-certified key makes phishing virtually impossible. Second, review all app permissions. If your calculator wants access to your microphone, delete it immediately. Third, never connect to public Wi-Fi without a reputable VPN. Fourth, enable advanced protection or its equivalent on your cloud services. Finally, and most importantly, treat every unexpected message, even from a known contact, with extreme suspicion. Assume it's an AI-generated attack until proven otherwise. In this invisible war, vigilance is your most powerful defense. Don't be a passive user, be an active digital guard. The security of your entire digital life depends on it.